is about to start for an extraordinary journey of smart furniture equipment. The mystery of the world's top furniture machinery is found here. Welcome to the KDT Group. We always passion to open up a further page and constantly lead the forefront among the machinery industry, creating any new possibilities in the China smart home manufacturing. KDT has been performing any excellence, breaking through process boundaries, and leading the industry technology. We strive for excellence and pay acute attention to each detail of every product. Focus on the machinery manufacturer. Our technology leads among the industry. We pay acute attention to each detail of every product. Attention to even the smallest details. Every piece of our products is the result of the world's best technology. Building for premium quality and innovating for top brand recognition. Listen with heart. We are your most trustworthy partner. Focus with care. High quality is our eternal commitment. Real-time high efficiency guarantees your long-term service. Along the journey, we light up the beacon to go for a global journey of the woodworking machinery industry. KDT sets sail for the era of Industry 4.0 automation among the vast intelligent ocean, bringing the most advanced full factory automation to furniture manufacturing industry.